In this world, there are many things such as math, math, and math. We're going to take you back in time where anything can happen. This is the Math Zone. Now we will see what cavemen thought of math. Cavemen looked very primitive, but they thought of math too. Because suddenly, out of nowhere, one of billions of cavemen had an idea. $3,000 later, in the busy towns of China.
卖饼干，又香又甜的饼干。
I would like to buy one of those.
给钱？你笑啊！我们不用这种钱了，我们用纸钱。Mother in China。
Excuse me?
你给我滚！
I'm sorry.
走！
Excuse me?
Walk. Walk.
Excuse me?
啊！哎，你回来！你回来啊！
And now, a word from our sponsor.
Hello, friends. I am leading economist and paleontologist, as you can see, Jet Chu. Let me tell you, you may think, what does paper money have to do with math? I tell you, it has a lot to do with math. Back in the ancient days, when they still used coins, the value of the coin was judged by its material. If it was made of gold, the price would be the price of gold. But then came paper money. How much would it be worth? It was just a piece of paper. And that's where all these banking institutions came in. And that needed a lot of math.
And halfway around the world, Napoleon was conquering the world. And he was particularly interested in the protractor.
Attention! Oops! I am your leader, Emperor Napoleon Bonaparte. This is a glorious day for France, for your countrymen are dying over there for France. You should use your artillery to blast them to pieces. Projector! Measure 70 degrees. Steady. Steady. Fire!
Sir?
Unfortunately, there was a misfire. Luckily, you only killed 4,000 troops. Carry on.
Time has flied by, and soon enough, the world has engulfed towards the Second World War.
Here we are live at the Elizabeth Courthouse, where leading Nazi Frederick von Schule is currently on trial. This was the very man who used the swastika for Germany. Just why did he do that? Questions should be answered.
Order in the court! Order in the court! Frederick von Schur, why did you authorize the use of the swastika?
It was used for parallel lines, right angles, math, to help the children grow up, be good Germans. Hitler was a good man. He cared about the children.
Then why did he kill himself?
He went mad. He had too much math homework when he was a child. Working on the war at the same time was hard.
Then why did he send out all those troops to conquer all the countries?
For the children. To let them come one by one.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, is this man guilty or innocent?
Guilty! Guilty!
Take him out.
Hi, it's me, reporter Jet Chu again. And the results of the trial have shown that Frederick von Schur was found guilty. This is a great triumph for democracies all over the world. Thank you for watching Channel 2. Meanwhile, halfway across the world in Nepal, a few years after the war, there was a man who was advocating for math. This guy will make a great discovery.
I have an equation. Okay. But in that equation are numbers. But one of those numbers in that equation is a prime. And that equation we've all been wondering about, the equation that has been our problems, will solve our problems. That equation is 11 times 2.
This leads us to the space age.
Have you ever wondered what scientists might say when it's hard for them to explain something? Brain surgery? Car operation? Or maybe, is it rocket science? And this leads us to our present-day math teacher, Miss Boland. Thank you for watching. This is an Edward Productions. Go Math!
Yay!